Let's get started. Alright, this first lesson I will be teaching you about ISO. I will be teaching you about the minimum ISO needed for photographing the Milky Way, and I will also be showing you the maximum ISO for photographing the Milky Way. I will also be showing you the effects that high ISO has on your images. In the end, I will be giving you an easy, quick, and fun assignment that you can do and share with the class. Bye-bye! ISO describes the light sensitivity of a camera's sensor. Each number represents a full stop in light sensitivity. The ISO range starts at 100, which is the least sensitive, but is also the cleanest, or creates the cleanest images. And then it goes all the way up to 6400 ISO, which is the most sensitive, but at the same time produces the most amount of artifacting or noise. In a film era, it was called grain. So these numbers you see here are full stops. Each stop is a doubling of the light sensitivity of the camera. Many cameras have more settings in their ISO rating than others. But for the purpose of this lesson, we will stick with the whole numbers or stops. Now, because I'm going to be teaching you how to shoot the Milky Way, which is our galaxy, we will be dealing with some very faint objects. And because these objects are really faint, we will have to be shooting at very high ISOs. Regardless of the camera you're using, the minimum ISO you will want to be working with is about 1600. If you are shooting with a full frame camera, or camera that has very high ISO performance, you can go up to 6400, but I wouldn't go anything over that. Now, if you're shooting with a consumer grade camera or any crop censored camera, I would not go over 3200, period. Each camera has two different ways of adjusting the ISO levels. One is almost always a button on top of the camera labeled as ISO. The other, and depending on your camera, will be located on your LCD screen. Since we will be working at dark at night and you don't want to ruin your night vision, I would be using the LCD screen as little as possible. Therefore, get in the habit of adjusting your ISO with a little button on top. You can easily view your ISO adjustments through your viewfinder. As you look through your viewfinder, you can peer down to the bottom and it'll give you your actual exposures as well as ISO. Well, that's it for camera settings. Don't forget, if you have any questions, you can send me them here at this course and I will respond to them. Towards the end of this video, I will do a quick recap of everything that you need to do for photographing the Milky Way. Last but not least, at the end of this, I will be giving you a couple of assignments. Don't worry, they'll be easy and they'll be fun. Since we are dealing with extremely distant and faint objects. The core of the Milky Way is 25,000 light years away from our own planet. Because of that, we have to be pushing the camera to its ultimate in light sensitivity. At the very least, you need to shoot with an ISO of 1600. And for crop sensor, you don't really want to go more than 3200. And for full framed, you can go up to 6400 ISO.